Is your PC feeling slow even when you're not running heavy apps? Here's the truth. It's probably not your hardware, it's Windows. By default, Microsoft leaves several background features running that quietly use your internet, consume CPU power, and constantly access your drive. Today, I'm showing you 3 deep system settings you should disable immediately, plus 1 official Microsoft tool that safely boosts performance without breaking your system. Let's get your speed back. Step 1. Delivery Optimization. Delivery optimization uses a peer-to-peer system to download and upload Windows Update and Microsoft Store files. In simple terms, your PC can help deliver update files to other PCs. Important privacy note: delivery optimization does not share your personal files. It never accesses your documents, photos, videos, or downloads. It only shares verified Windows and Microsoft Store update files. So, why disable it? Because it quietly uses your upload bandwidth and runs background processes. This can cause random lag while gaming, slow browsing, or reduced network performance. Turning it off ensures your internet connection is used only by you. Step 2. Windows Search Indexing. Windows Search Indexing constantly scans your drive, so search results appear instantly. On many systems, this continuous scanning causes unnecessary CPU and disk usage. If you're not searching for files every few minutes, this background activity is wasted performance. Once disabled, your PC immediately feels calmer and more responsive. Step 3. SysMain. Now, let's talk about SysMain, also known as Superfetch. SysMain tries to predict which apps you'll open and preloads them into memory. This feature was designed for old mechanical hard drives. On modern SSDs, it's no longer needed. In fact, it often causes disk spikes, freezing, and the 100% disk usage issue. Disabling SysMain allows your SSD to work efficiently without Windows micromanaging it. The final tool, Microsoft PC Manager. Finally, here's the safest optimization tool most people don't know exists: Microsoft PC Manager. Most PC booster apps are risky or useless. This one is different because it's built by Microsoft themselves. Microsoft PC Manager acts as a control center. With one click on the boost button, it clears standby memory, removes temporary system files, and stops unnecessary background tasks, all without touching the registry. By disabling those 3 legacy features and using Microsoft PC Manager, you've removed the biggest performance bottlenecks in Windows. Your PC boots faster, apps open quicker, games run smoother, and those random stutters disappear. If you felt the speed boost, drop a comment saying "boosted" so I know it worked. Like and subscribe for more Windows performance tips. Stay fast.